Ijina ha no pay. Sa me yire tete me am yire be free me quotation. There is no way I am going to have the soundness to articulate what I'm talking about. Sa me jina hey. Me yire tete me. Me can one no aka two. Ya koda na jo no atu gate him. Imagine no, adwene no bebo dam. Ana mo nimbi America no. Ya mo ya mo say the wuni masma America ho kura ya me nwanwa, ho na ya me nwanwa.
I will see as radio so called Abefun since I feel so highway so questions are Ghana Fobisa and they say who watches the watchman and no time say by a brana anas are you anas ne ho say ye investigator be secret investigator be and ye no official out not the one na Ghana Fobisa say so ne anas hwan na ehwe so na say radio question no enye who watches the watchman name question akwa say who cancel the counselor and no any questions are Ghana for ebisa ni nyina ene Charlotte Oduro nsensem a ababeto monten so room obi a ene na monten so a kire say aware ne kwa wote ase no egu ebeto media no so be 2 months ago bi so na aware ne egu bi so na aware ne mu ye still na maame ne dire wa no gu so eye ne council adwuma sabra me no ka say de from ne kunu no akache source ne from ne kunu no akasa wona e de ababeto monten so na wo kire say afedi wo say ye ka kumuhui ye de no kwakuo no ne kunu akasa e de press release bi ababeto dwa me de press release mu nsem e ba bebo me ka wo say aha too much subscribe my page na fe ni adoma se ne be na upload bi aba onsa ebetimi aka na abusunya se ye bo e de ewra ye nsem mu a ye nyina nim se ne aware ne siti ye ne penifo kra kan se aware wo ne kwan wa nti wo kwa aware na ye bisa na se ne Ghana ha ye nim samafo ha ne counselors de oba Ghana ha dia ebi wa hapa mu ba ko ene Charlotte Oduro ene maami media platform bia wo so akase ne nketo nyina ne wokoso na wo kire Ghana foma se ne ebeye na obekrokro wukunu se ne ebeye na obepampa wukunu ene wo ba ne be maye wa o we wo so to bo ase na ode ma no se ne ebeye na ware na wote ase no wani beje na watimi aware ne ma na eyi na ode ahye Kristo anunyam sa adwuma no ena maami wodi na be November mu ho no na ehye asese de na monten so no fo ase bola soja no ye hu ya ne se wo mebim se maami ase de kunu ne jai ebim so oni kunu ne nja oti aware na se bi so na ware ne ye kama abusuya Some no ka say the press release a finikunu akache Solomon Oduro Ministries ababeto monten so na chese aware no tinton time wo magunu aya Charlotte Oduro oni ne kunu o maware na o moware no say de ye from say Mr. and Mrs. Oduro bi na mum obia enam ne baby say me kan say ne release ne ebae ache was official announcement on the dissolution of marriage between Apostle Solomon Oduro and Reverend Charlotte Oduro. Not just a way no officially ni kuna babonten abaye announcement chese wone na ire na ware na Ghana fo yenim se wo mo ware no egu o say it is with a deep sense of responsibility and some reflection that Apostle Solomon Oduro officially announces the dissolution of his marriage to Reverend Charlotte Oduro. This decision has been reached after much prayer, discussion and carefully consideration. That is so for nature say oh what they are conching from bompaye waka humia ham and that is what's na se dwen ho susu ho no say baby ade na ekone de baby ade na hye no afa hye be frato nti se waya na enyi ye da na wo say aware no gua no wo mugu say de one na ere ne ntam no de enie wo magu aware na empire ahodo na ene kuom nkonyasie nyina be mo tena ase dwen ho say baby anema na ekono e wo say omode aware no ekosi wo say the couple has been separated for the past 3 years, and after further reflection and guidance, they officially dissolved their marriage traditionally last year, despite multiple efforts at settlement. Irreconcilable differences have necessitated this move. Not just say, Charlotte Oduro, ni kunu no kasa watch say. Baya 3 years ago, cry, and that is our no. Yes, and the agent of no one say, oh, when you are some days and any no, and one of whom body says, a man for a warrior, and a warrior some day, a beba, and to quawum, and to commit me a can, one more kaya, and sometimes 3 years ago, cry as our neck won't go okay. Nanya dear a yawani, so be asa, nay, and so na last year, and officially the Busani Mirina, a single yatnas no more, say, be a drunny, and I know say Jayano Mujawarena, a Busia, and semi ababeto media, Ghana for say, eh, Nancy Wayne say that Siena Wariano, say afede Ghana for na so money ya da honom so e maami no ho ye nwa yi pa na nye maami no na momonten so na wo kire se ne ye ware wo su Ghana for mafo se ne ukunu no etete okura betimi manage oba de wo na wo hwefie ni ade ne nsem wo ka na ye den no ankasa wentimi ensiesie na ware na afa kwa kodu so asa wa yese pane no wo pompa mamafo de na so no ne to ate wentimi mpam wenim ne nsem a Ghana for the buy after se media nsem beto media no se ne twia na ye twe na se ne abasa ne ne amafo e ka ho nsem yi pa na ensem yi beto mo nso na enrada e wo kofi Oduro na sorry dem preaching bi a wo de to dwa no Ghana for e che se papa no waka no eni eti osiyizie ensem ya wo kan di e ye Charlotte Oduro oni ni kuwo munti.
Be serious. Be very serious. Sometimes, just like the Bible was talking about, I think it's in Matthew chapter number 6, verse 7. Matthew 6, 7. Can I see what is there? Matthew 6, 7. Okay, then it's 7, 6. 10 it, let me see. Matthew chapter 7, verse 6. Is that correct? Okay. The Bible said, give not that which is holy to the dogs. Okay, then turn it into the Message version. Let's see what the Bible has got to say. The Bible said, don't be flip with the sacred, banter and silliness. Give no honor to God. Don't reduce holy mysteries to slogans. In trying to be relevant, you are only being cute and inviting. Turn it into GNT version. In the GNT version, the Bible says, don't give that which is holy to dogs. They will only turn and attack you. Okay, to the Amplified version. Maybe what I'm looking for will appear. Don't give that which is holy to the dogs. Don't throw your pearls to the pigs. Don't give something precious like your heart. Don't give it to dogs. Jesus is the preacher here. He is referring to human beings as dogs and pigs. Jesus is the preacher. This 14th of February, Enkrama ene beri nipa manakoma. Enkrama man. The dogs will devour the human beings. 14th February, I'm inviting you to a limited entry laugh talk, the 14th February edition at Crystal Palm Hotel Conference Hall. The seating is only 300 people. And I have people beyond that. So we are going to put up a Google registration online tomorrow. You register and reserve a seat, only 300 people. I want to speak to people who want to master the art of relationship and marriage. Did you know how no pay? There is no way I am going to have the soundness to articulate what I'm talking about. So me jina hey, me jere tete me, me can one waka do. Ya kodana jo no atu gate him. Ma jine no, a jine no bebo dam. And I'm mo nimbi America no. Yamomo yamo said you wouldn't must make a home cry. You know, look at the intensity by which I'm speaking this morning. It tells you, say, this guy is sound-minded. His heart is at peace. He is pushing something very strongly. If your wife is a tyrant and a nag, I'm telling you, you will not have. If your girlfriend or your fiance is something else, I'm telling you, we a driver, ubenya kwenshia. We a mate here, ubesisas kanama na buruso. We a doctor, ubediyewu. We a nurse, you will be negligent, somebody's baby will die. If you and so don't think like, what is relationship, what is marriage, sweetheart. You know, the people who have mastered the art of human or people skills, you know, they are at peace. So I'm telling you, if they are reading a speech, you can see that they have a sense of concentration. Concentration is solid. But the Niamanya. Many years ago in the First Republic, you know, there was a minister that was giving a speech and came out that the speech script, the manuscript had gone missing and came that today is a great day. And a great day is today. Of course, today is a great day. If you be serious. What the wakoma massacre briefly we nipe wanye papa obekonin chen wo aben kwan ne fro no a we yesi ho last week no ono ne girlfriend na be di wo fro me kasa kire mo amonte. When you are courting with a man, you don't sleep in a man's house, you don't wash for the man, you don't cook for the man. Trust on that word, you be book asia wunti. I'm telling you. People go, I mean, I don't understand. You know, how will you complain to me if you be book in the stance where I am preaching against you know certain habit? How will you complain to me? Then what Baba catch him and I'm a coin and what be catching them Ukoyan or Mao a Bentley and a Range Rover and Gaba be catching them Mokona etikemua, then you come making stupid.
Entabusia and Samuno and Amedi Ababe Sumon and the Prophet Kofi Oduro Kaye, a yana someone or can I say a Cindy Safwa and a could be a Cindy Nana Wedding care family baby and Muganga Fona and as in a one more chip of Pandia Baby Rassans and some name Nemuno. Send it and a message also with your comments over video. I say, and I'm nothing. When we are subscribed to so a too much GH. A yaka saw the bell never can send an upload via tomorrow. On sa ebetimi aka all the social media handles so call too much GH. I say also over like and share send a phone to be that good and I'm just so macro.